Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open Note application in Windows 11. Unfortunately, the default Note application which we are using from Windows XP to Windows 10, that is not available in Windows 11. And also rich document editor, that's also not available in Windows 11. There is only one Note application. It is called Sticky Notes. You can see here it is Sticky Notes. You can open this application, then it will be like this, and you can click here for new one that will be here. You can simply drag from anywhere. You can take notes. Okay, then you can see here we are typing this hello, and that will be on your uh, desktop on your screens. You can simply close that note and it will be gone. So that's the thing in Windows 11. Also, you need a bigger screen. You can simply take braces for this. Okay, and there is options to change the note colors and delete notes and note list. You can see here this is note list. You can see here our previous notes from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.